These are the 15 best air purifiers, courtesy of what is negativeIon.com. Negative ions are kind of like the vitamins of the air. They make us feel overall better. The first one on our list is the NATOL Car Air Purifier Ionizer. It's powerful and portable. It also has a negative ionizer. You can put it in your small room, your office. You can bring it to the car. I highly recommend to do it because the office and the car have the biggest buildup of positive ions, which are known to sort of poison your well-being. The next up is the LEVOIT LVH132. It also features a 3-in-1 filtration system, which you'll see a lot. So that's a pre-filter, HEPA filter, and an active carbon filter as well. So the pre-filter gets your larger particles like hair, dander. The HEPA gets like the dust and the allergens, pollen, and then the active carbon will absorb any odors. PARTU Hepa Air Purifier is another great small room air purifier. It also features a 3-in-1 filtration system. It has a fragrance sponge just like the NATOL. So not only do you get cleaner, fresh air, but you can also diffuse your favorite essential oils. And certain essential oils, they can produce negative ions when they're diffused. GermGuardian 3-in-1 air cleaning system is another popular choice. I've seen this on a lot of review sites. What makes it different is it has a UVC light. It's a germicidal light that destroys germs and bacteria. And there's a filter sensor that also lets you know when it needs to be changed, so you don't have to constantly check to see when that filter needs to be replaced. If you're looking for a smart purifier that can detect the contaminants in the air of your home and that will especially help you stay protected during flu and cold season, the AeraMax 100 is going to be a good bet. It has a smart sensor to detect the type of air pollution in your home, thereby maximizing your clean, healthy air experience. The antimicrobial treatment will also help kill off germs and viruses, which lower you and your family's chance of getting sick. There's also a unique mode for flu, allergy, and cold season. Do you want fewer germs in your home and not sacrifice the peaceful silence? The PureZone Hepa Air Purifier gives you just that, as it combines filtered air cleaning with germicidal UVC light to kill microorganisms that can make you and your family more susceptible to getting sick. Fewer germs equals fewer colds and cases of flu, more time working, playing, and living. Allow you to set timers for 2, 4, or 8 hours of continuous use so you can save money on your power bill. The Philips Air Purifier 1000 combines the whisper sound level of the PureZone and the smart sensor technology of the AeraMax. It can give you real-time feedback of changes in the air quality. Regardless of how slight the air changes, it adjusts automatically so you can have the most thorough, tranquil, clean air environment, also quiet, clean air environment for your home at all times. The Winix 5502, although HEPA and carbon filters are great to capture coming air particles, they eventually do need to be replaced, but something that can stay in your purifier is this plasma wave technology that breaks down odors, vapors, and allergen. If anything minuscule passes through the filters, it will meet its demise when its molecular structure is broken down by the plasma wave, which will further protect your lungs and air quality. You don't have to worry about allergens and allergies with the Honeywell HPA 300. There's a reason why Honeywell is so well respected and the #1 doctor recommended brand you suffer from allergies or asthma. The HPA 300 was specifically designed to trap and remove allergens from the air in large spaces, so you and your family can breathe freely and relaxingly in an allergen and smoke-free environment. Let's say you want something powerful yet simple to use and convenient to run, then the Coway AP1512HH might be an excellent contender in your fight for streamlined air purification. Coway prides itself for providing super effective air purification with a stylish, sleek design, so you can enjoy the freshness of the air and the aesthetic appeal of the purifier. Plus, you'll appreciate how easy it is to use and to let automatically run with its air quality smart sensor that intuitively responds to the current changes in air pollution within your home. The Airfree Iris 3000 air purifier covers up to 650 square feet, is filter-free, has no maintenance costs, and is completely silent. Using its patented thermodynamic TSS technology, similar to using boiling water's heat to kill air pollutants and airborne bacteria, you can rest assured that you and your family are covered for all air pollution inside of your home. The Rabbit Air MinusA2 can be mounted on your wall or stand alone on a table or desk. I haven't really seen a whole lot of air purifiers that can be mounted on your wall, kind of like a TV. You will relax when you know that the smart sensor will detect if it's daylight or nighttime and run speeds accordingly. Do you have pesky pet odors, lingering smoke smells, nauseating cleaning chemicals, or stagnating food smells in your home? Well, those are things of the past once you have the Clevr 8-stage air purifier. It's designed to not just remove odors, but eliminate them. It uses 8 different air cleaning technologies to completely eliminate virtually all odors, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and relaxed as your sense of smell is liberated. The IQair HealthPro Plus covers up to 1,125 square feet. It is medical grade and the #1 recommended brand for asthma and allergies. Kill off any minuscule chance of catching a virus that can make you develop a cold, flu, or other illness with the medical grade professional strength of the IQair. Do you want full automated control of your air purifier that is going to eliminate your allergies from the convenience of your phone, anywhere in your home or office? Enter the Dyson Pure Cooling. It's powerful automated air cleaning, cool conditioning machine. It also saves you money on your energy bill because it also provides further cool air conditioning during hot summer months. So there you have it. These are the best picks across the board. So leave a comment and let me know which air purifier you're looking at, and I would love to hear from you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I should get back to you shortly. Check us out at whatisnegativeIon.com.